So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you run this, you can follow everything I'm going to be doing up here. So first you want to expand HG current user. Now you want to expand software. Now you want to expand Microsoft. Now you want to expand Windows. We're going to scroll down till you find Windows. You want to expand Windows. Now you want to expand current version. And now we're going to expand Explorer. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. Now we're going to click on user shell folders. We're going to scroll down till we find user shell folders. You want to click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And then once you run this, you want to find cache. You want to double click on cache. And then once we're here, you just want to copy and paste the text, which will be down below in the description. It's going to start with %sign user profile. So you just want to copy and paste this text. So we're going to highlight it, do Ctrl+C to copy it. Come back to here. We're now going to delete everything in here. We're now going to paste what we just copied right now. You want to do Ctrl+V to paste it, which will now paste it here, and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.